everyone! Today I'm gonna demo our super new plugin. It's called EASYFORM. The idea is that you will be able to collect different sort of information from whoever. So it could be your customers, could be your peers, or could be your event goers. So let's start by creating a new form here. I can call it my cool event because it's related to my event, let's say. Now when we create the form, we get into our form editor where we actually put together the pieces that form the form. So first we can ask about the name of the person maybe with just a regular input. And then next we can add more items into the form. So there's a bunch of already created types, but please let us know if you need something more. But we can start with rating for this example. Let's say, how did you like the show? And then use the star rating. We can make it required here so that the form needs this field in order to be submitted. And then in the settings, we can do a bunch of stuff. We can like rename all the buttons, translate them for different language, for example, or just match the vibe. So everything shown to the user is customizable. And then of course we match the color of our event or our brand. Then when we're happy with the form, we can save it and then share it with the world. So we get this QR code that's downloadable. You can put it on leaflets, on posters, wherever. And then we get this unique link that points to this specific form, and that we could put on our website or email conversation anywhere. And once the form is open, we can see exactly what we saw in the preview. So it starts with the question about our name, because that's the first item we put in there. So I'm actually Pavel, so I'm gonna write Pavel here. And then we select how much we enjoyed the show. Once that's done, the end user flow is kind of finished, but for us on the admin side, we can of course go back and see the submissions, so we can see the results of what people said. So I can go to the My Cool Event form responses here, and I can see the timestamp as well, all the answers, and I can get CSV file from it, so I can process it further in my BI or some other automations, whatever I desire. Cool.